for a larger all right, I guess I can't say that word. What's up guys, my name is JayyPinkk and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back as well, because I know I've been missing for quite some time. But a lot has changed and we will address that as I continue to post more. So let's just get into it. I'm really excited about this video because I'm featuring one of my favorite products. And then something really cool that I'm excited to incorporate with my favorite product as well. And both come with like little goodies for you guys too. I'm so excited. The first one being, I am so excited because it is my product. It is my whipped body butters. I am really excited about this because this is something that I've been using for years. It's made with raw shea butter. My mom, when I was a little girl, found this product because I had eczema and just really dry skin, and it was something that was natural that worked for us, that actually lasted throughout the day too, because part of the issue was that lotion was not lasting and that's how I would get dry patches. But we found this, and so I saw Black women creating their own products, and there was a lady who I actually got my initial recipe from. Since then I have matured it a lot. It's actually not even the same. These are what my jars look like, and I will have the website linked below. My whipped body butters are 100% raw, unrefined products. So I use shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, and a couple different oils, all whipped together and combined to create literal magic. All of the oils and butters that I use in my whipped body butter are they don't clog your pores. I'm not even gonna try to say that word. I whip the body butters to kind of give you a lighter formula. My original formula of whipped body butter was very thick, dense, and heavy, and almost made everything extremely greasy. However, with the new formula that I've created, this is actually my personal jar. It is very light. Oh, look at that! This is really exciting for me. It's super buttery. Wow, my hands are so ashy. And look at that. A nice shine, but it's not greasy to the touch. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love it so much. The scents that I have currently, unscented body butter, that's what I use. I use this on my face, hair, anywhere that I need it to. This is going to be the one that is going to be perfect for face, hair, body, for newborns. If you have really sensitive skin, this is what I would start with, just because there's no added fragrance to this. It is just the natural fragrance that God put in all of these products. It actually smells very much like shea butter. The unscented currently is the only one that has two size jars. I have the 12-ounce jar and the natural scented. I keep saying unscented, but it's natural scented. And then there's an 8-ounce jar. Eventually, every fragrance on my line will have an 8-ounce and a 12-ounce. This is a nice way to sample it, try it out, see if you like. The next fragrance that I have is actually one of the more popular ones, which is the blueberry hibiscus. Now, the ones that have fragrance oils in them are always going to be pink. This is actually really pretty. The blueberry hibiscus is actually one of my personal favorites, just because it's inspired by one of my favorite people. It is divine, it is light, it smells like fresh blueberries, but like a tranquil holiday. I don't know, it just smells so good, and I honestly probably would have never thought of this if it was not for that person. So I'm actually very thankful, and again, this is one of my more popular ones. Finally, we have the sweet peach body butter, and this is an ode to my love of all things southern and peaches. I love peaches. This is a nice supple fragrance. I think this is going to be perfect for like the summertime, because it just smells like, especially if you're a southern girl, it just smells like a nice Georgia peach, like you belong to be sitting under a tree somewhere. It smells so good. And again, the same thing, it's a nice buttery texture. The butters that have the fragrance oil, if you are weary of the fragrance oil, you can always do a patch test. What a patch test is you take a very small amount, almost like I was doing when I was just rubbing the top of it, and you place it behind your ear, the inside of your elbow, or on the back of your knee, and leave it for 24 hours to make sure it does not give you an issue. Now, if you know that you are sensitive to fragrance, even natural essential fragrances, I do not suggest getting the fragrant or the scented body butters. I suggest you get the naturally scented body butter and just maybe wear a perfume that you do trust that does not give you issues. This on the skin though, you smell like a shea butter goddess. So even though it doesn't have added fragrances, it's still delicious on the skin. Moving right along, I was reached out by actually a pretty cool company and a very nice lady. So we are going to talk about something that I got in the mail today. We're going to talk about something that I got in the mail today, and we're actually going to open it together. It's not open. Oh, okay. They're in Florida too. That's why it got to me so quick. This product is from a brand called, I want to say Duvolle is the name of the product, and if that's incorrect, I do apologize. It is their Radiance Spin-Care System, and this is described to be like your portable facial and spa system. It is completely waterproof, so it is safe and 100% safe to use in the shower. So I'll take it out of the box so we can see and touch it together. I'll also go over some specs as we do this. The spinning motion for this machine removes excess dirt, makeup, and oil. Also, it cleans as well as exfoliates. I also want to give a pro tip when we talk about exfoliating the face. So the bristles on this brush are very soft, and this will give you a light exfoliation, not nearly as rough as some other brand spin brushes whose name will remain nameless on this channel. So for this, anytime it comes to a spin care brush or a spin brush facial cleaning system, now I suggest doing it either once a day or once a day every other day, for the simple fact of over exfoliating your face, especially if you are using this and a chemical or physical exfoliant, can actually make the skin extremely sensitive and more prone to breakouts. But again, with these brushes, these are extremely soft. I don't imagine that these would damage the skin if you did use them every day, or twice a day every day. Now, into exfoliating, using something like this and doing regular exfoliations on the skin does allow you to have a radiant soft skin, as well as it evens the playing field for the skin so that your skin can better absorb the products even after you wash. So another reason I was really excited about this brush is because it's not only for your face, it's for the body too. This is a body brush, and the same thing, this is really soft. It's a tad stiffer than the face brushes, but again, not nearly as stiff or as plastic bristly as, again, the other brand who shall remain nameless. This is very, very soft. And I do apologize, I don't have any batteries. I checked already. I only have one battery and it's already in here. I'm gonna have to go get batteries, but it's okay. I'm gonna do a separate video where I show you how to actually use this bad boy. So this guy is 100% waterproof. You can use it in the shower. This is good for your whole body. Use it on your legs, your back, whatever your heart desires. This is thebomb.com. If you use this before you spray tan or put on tanning oils, this is going to be a gentle exfoliant. So this will help spray tan last longer, as well as give you a nice even glow. You don't have to plug it in. You put the 4 AA batteries in and you're good for months on end. The second thing that I was excited for, that's a pumice stone attachment. Pumice stone is that little stone they use if you go get a pedicure. Sometimes they use the plastic ones, the ones that has like maybe one color side and the other side is white. Sometimes they use those. I have a pumice stone in my bathroom. I always keep one. It's something that my mom has kind of passed down to me, and it's the one that you kind of have to hold like a bar of soap. But this, I can imagine that this is going to make it 10 times easier, and I'm actually very excited to try this out because I am very religious with my body care and my skincare. So in total, the Radiance Spin-Care System comes with 4 different brush heads, a body brush, 2 facial brushes, and a pumice stone brush. This Radiance Spin-Care System retails on their website, which will be linked down below, for $95. But girl, they are giving it to you for 70% off with this code. And this code will bring your skincare brush system down to, are you ready? $28.50, girl. And that doesn't include taxes or shipping. However, that is the most generous discount for something like this I've ever seen. Like, you get discounts like that on cheap clothing, you know, the fast fashion places, but usually not on a body care or facial product. So this is really cool. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, and I hope that you either are interested in the body butter or the Radiance Spin-Care System. They're both amazing. Make sure you go ahead and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed. Also, go ahead and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my later uploads, which are going to be amazing because I am so excited for. Words don't even explain how excited I am to make body, skincare, and makeup videos again. I did not record this look, but I will have the specs on my Instagram. If you're not following me there, make sure you do that. And I will see you guys in the next one.